Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Frame channel. A commonly known fact is that intense friction between two surfaces generates heat. But a lesser known phenomenon is that the kinetic energy produced during friction, which later transforms into heat energy, is now used to weld metal parts together. This welding method takes advantage of the natural heating of two metal objects in motion against each other to fuse them in an inseparable manner. The different types of friction welding, however, depend on the relative motion used in the process. The system makes use of a flywheel attached to the rotating shaft to smooth out the delivery of power from the motor. The flywheel rotates one of the pieces to be welded until a preset speed is reached. This speed can range anywhere from 400 to 1,500 revolutions per minute. The motor is disengaged from the flywheel once it reaches the required speed, and the other part to be welded is brought in contact under pressure with the rotating piece. This intense friction welding technology takes just between 15 to 45 seconds, depending on the size of the material, to complete the welding. The concept of friction welding was invented by Wayne Thomas in 1991. Since then, it has solved many of the problems associated with traditional joining methods, such as pollution and time factor. The global friction welding machine market size was $285 million in 2020. Due to its effectiveness, the market size is expected to reach nearly $312 million by 2026. Friction welding has also been cited by many users as a cost-saving process. For instance, Hydro Marine Aluminium reported that at shipyards using prefabricated friction-welded panels, the aluminium fabrication has resulted in 15% reduction in the man-hour per ton rate. The use of prefabricated FSW panels has enabled a few shipyards to reduce the production period for a 197 feet long aluminium catamaran hull from 10 to 6 months, which means a 40% increase in production capacity and turnover at the yard.